Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased The Libas reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that the Libas offers wide range of women wear dresses such as designer lehengas, designer gowns, Bollywood style dresses, combo of two designer dresses and so forth. And guys, the most attractive part here is the price of the dresses, which seems too good to be true. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative video on my channel. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the payment options are not directly disclosed. Payment options would be disclosed only when you share your personal information and proceed to check out. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the Libas offers free shipping across India on all orders above 749 rupees. Also a special offer of 5% cashback is given to all prepayment orders. And guys, in case if you choose cash on delivery option, then you need to pay 39 rupees extra for convenience fee. And talking about the shipping time, so here we can see that all orders are processed and shipped within 4 to 7 business days for major cities and within 5 to 10 business days for other locations. Now let's have a look on exchange and return policies. So here we can see that no information related to return refund is disclosed, as here in return refund policy section shipping details are given. So guys, this is a negative sign. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so again here we can see that no information related to cancellation is provided by the officials on the website. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. Guys, the libas.net uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But apart from this, talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 31st May 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Now, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page, we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@libas.net. But guys, the point to note here is that the provided address is incomplete and it matches with the address provided on many other suspicious websites. Also, when I tried to reach out its customer care executive, they didn't receive my call. So again, it is a negative highlight. Addition to this guys, the libas.net lacks presence on social media platforms. Now let's talk on the Libas reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here in the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback, and as I said, it was registered just a month ago. So over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. Also, the trust index of the website is extremely poor, which again is a negative highlight. And guys, talking about the content quality of the website, so it was found that the images of the products and the content used over the website is duplicate as it matches with many other scam websites. So guys, lack of return refund policy, misleading contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content, and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So, prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity and positive feedback from customers, because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the Libas reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.